Hop into the 2015 Infiniti QX80. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this boldly stylish Infiniti QX80, the full-size luxury SUV that brings high-end comfort, beefy towing ability, and spacious three-row seating to every off-road adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: third-row seat, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, wood grain interior trim, power passenger seat, premium sound system, iPod, MP3 input, heated mirrors, remote engine start. Bold strength blends with high-end luxury in a sophisticated QX80. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.